system, the C8 Z06 mods take 2. If you watched our last C8 Z06 video, you'll see that we installed the Venturi intake, solar ported throttle bodies, and the Yonristic exhaust system. On this Z06, we're going to be installing the same Venturi intake, but with Mammo ported throttle bodies and the Fabspeed exhaust. Now once we have these upgrades completed, we're going to be putting this car back on the dyno and comparing peak power numbers, and of course the exhaust note between each car. This one will also be remaining on the stock tune so that we can maintain the factory warranty. On our last C8 Z06 build, we made 571 horsepower and 428 foot-pounds of torque. On this car, with the Mammo ported throttle bodies and the Fabspeed exhaust system, we made 590 horsepower and 424 foot-pounds of torque. So although we lost about 4 foot-pounds of torque, we gained an additional 19 peak horsepower, as well as about 15 foot-pounds of torque below 4,000 RPM. As far as the exhaust systems go, I would have to favor the Fabspeed system. Not only did it produce more power, but the fitment and installation was more straightforward, as well as producing a little bit of a more refined sound. However, I would have to credit the Yonristic system with more of that high-pitched Formula 1 sound, as well as a more affordable price point. So if you're looking for the most horsepower out of your exhaust system, the Fabspeed is the way to go. But if you're looking for a good system at a cheaper price point, the Yonristic system might be right for you.